WatMatch. Have you ever had a great capstone idea but none of your friends or classmates seemed interested? They just don't see the vision you do. Or maybe you felt completely lost, not sure what to build, but wish you could browse other people's ideas and join one that actually excites you? That's exactly what WatMatch solves. We're building Canada's biggest capstone ecosystem. Our goal is to make cross-faculty capstone matching at Waterloo transparent, searchable, and actually usable. Over the next few minutes, I will walk you through the problem, what we built, how we got here, and what's next for MP3. We're tackling three main issues: visibility, convenience, and collaboration. Right now, finding teammates across faculties feels almost impossible. There's no transparency in how matches are made, and the process doesn't scale. It takes tons of manual work to connect the right people with the right projects. It's also hard to manage consent, so students just stick with their own friend groups. In short, it's too much of a hassle. There's no proper infrastructure for students to share their ideas or discover projects that need help. Here's how it works today. Each term, students and external partners submit a survey with their project ideas and the types of students they're looking for. Those responses are manually compiled into two massive documents, one for student-led projects and one for faculty or partner-led ones. Professors then have to dig through these massive documents with hundreds of pages and manually match students to projects. It's slow, repetitive, and takes hours of coordination over email, with no simple way to track what's open, closed, or already filled. We can do better.
The solution? A seamless matching platform where we keep the familiar workflow but make it transparent and convenient for both professors and students. Our system consists of a standard front end, database, and back end, and directly integrates with ADFS authentication and Waterloo's content management systems as provided by the university. With that, let's talk about our process and progress so far and what we hope to achieve over the next few weeks.
So how exactly did we plan the process? To organize our thoughts and decisions, we first held various meetings for the requirements and the vision of this capstone ecosystem. The first meeting was with key faculty individuals like Derek Rayside to collect early requirements for functionality, consent, and data integration. Then we met at the Ideas Clinic to discuss past and ongoing capstone projects and how they operated. And the latest meeting was held to actually finalize a database schema and API structure that would meet our needs. So from those meetings, we finalized the core structure for the system. On the left, you can see our database schemas, which define how users, teams, and capstone projects are linked together through IDs and roles. On the right, we mapped out the user flow to show how students register, submit projects, and form teams, which are all authenticated through ADFS for security. This gives us a clear blueprint to start building the prototype.
Let's now discuss our results. Our faculty advisor, Derek Rayside, highlighted how far this project could reach. A single capstone term at Waterloo can involve around 3,000 students. With WatMatch, we could form about 50 new cross-faculty projects each year, impacting roughly 25,000 students across engineering, arts, environment, health, math, and science. We aim to make interdisciplinary teaming as accessible and convenient as possible with WatMatch. On the front end, we've built a clean, searchable experience. Instead of flipping through PDFs, students and instructors can now explore real projects through the Discover page, searchable by keywords, department, or year. And behind the scenes, our backend handles retrieval, search, and student course links, all connected to our structured database of courses, teams, and capstones. We built Python scripts to scrape and clean capstone listings from 2015 to 2025, storing titles, descriptions, departments, years, and student names in Supabase to create a decade of organized, searchable history that makes project discovery fast and transparent.
Here are our next steps for MP3. First and foremost is security. We'll be handling a lot of current and historical student information, so we are making it a priority to abide by UWaterloo IST security guidelines, like protecting our endpoints with Centennial One and Qualsys agents. Looking at our roadmap, we have already talked with professors to introduce WatMatch to students in their upcoming capstone courses. Our upcoming goals include having a landing page for the 3B Civil and Arc Eng Talk, a beta version ready to use for January 2026, and an ironed-out platform by fall 2026. WatMatch makes cross-faculty teaming intentional, transparent, and secure. It modernizes a process that hasn't changed in years, and we are ready to take it live for MP3. Thank you for your time.